This week may be feeling a whole lot like spring, but this week is also the anniversary of two of the biggest snowstorms we've ever seen here in our area, the blizzard of 1993 and the blizzard of 2017. The blizzard of 1993 was and still is referred to as the storm of the century. If you were old enough to remember it, you probably know exactly where you were and what you were doing that weekend. The storm formed on March 12th, and by the next day, on the 13th, the WNEP backyard recorded just under 19 inches of snow. Some parts of our area saw closer to 3 feet of snow, and strong winds caused incredible snowdrifts. The 1993 blizzard also canceled the Scranton St. Patrick's Day parade that year.